Congratulations on your new home purchase. You got the right location for the right price. Problem is, you don't like the fit and finish. Here today, we're on site where we solve that exact problem. Come with me, Dan Eckhart with Straight Line Construction, as we give you a tour where we took that 90s home and brought it into modern day. Come on. Nobody likes clutter. At Straight Line Construction, we're always trying to think about designing with efficiency. In this particular home, we were able to install the microwave right above the oven, where the microwave serves as both an oven and a microwave, and we have the convenience of a standard oven. They look good, they function well, and it frees up a lot of countertop space. When most of our clients start the remodeling process, they're wanting more storage. In this particular remodel, we thought it would be efficient to put the refrigerator next to the oven, but we were still able to get plenty of storage. We maintained a large cabinet over the oven, deep cabinet over the refrigerator, and my personal favorite, the pantry, where we've got plenty of rollout trays, and we're not gonna lose anything in the back. In remodeling, especially in kitchens, we are constantly faced with challenges. In this particular instance, we have what's called a dead corner. Our solution to this problem is a retractable shelf. This allows for you to use the maximum storage in this cabinet without losing any of your stuff. One of the easiest ways to eliminate wasted space is replacing your 30-inch cabinets with 42-inch uppers. A 42-inch upper cabinet will add that extra shelf. Here we've got these soft close doors. Underneath that, we've got our 1.5-inch light rail. But oh wait, what's missing? We forgot the outlets. We didn't want to do anything to interrupt the flow of these quartz countertops. We were able to move the electric up underneath the cabinets where we could hide the outlets. Boy, this backsplash sure looks clean. So it's Saturday afternoon and you're cooking hamburgers for the family, your hands are dirty. These touch-activated faucets make it really convenient and sanitary to wash your hands, and when you're done, nothing's touched. Here we installed a sleek glass cooktop over two very large, deep drawers. This is where we put our pots, our pans, our lids, right where our cooking surface is, which also means we're not cooking over a blazing hot oven. Thanks for taking the time today to tour this newly remodeled kitchen. I can't wait to hear from you and see how we can help you love where you live.